I love small business people. I am one. I have had a fairly large company. Most people would consider 100 employees to be a large company. Actually, it still falls under the small business category according to the US government. But I love the smaller, even the smaller enterprise, the under 10 employee company. In fact, I wrote a book which the original title was Under 10 Employees, and it was designed to help companies grow, or to just begin to conceive and draw up and make the business plan and think through all of the things that need to be thought through, and to set up the financials, and to find a location, and to hire the first hire, and to get the sales and the marketing going, and then even to sell it 20 years from now or 30 years from now. The book goes from A to Z. It's like an encyclopedia of how to start and run a very small business. The name changed. It was not Under 10 Employees. And it was first published by Warner Books 27 years ago. It's called When Friday Isn't Payday. Think about that now for a minute. It's called When Friday Isn't Payday. If you're not a small business yet, you may or may not understand that. But if you are in small business or even medium-sized business, you understand the title When Friday Isn't Payday. Okay? But the concept is to make sure that you can always make payroll on Friday, and that you're included in that payroll every Friday. So if you'd be interested in the book, it's available. The third edition, I just finished writing it last fall, so it's as fresh as 2019 or 2020. Everything in it is up to date and ready to go. If you're interested in that book, it's available as a Kindle. It's available as a paperback. It's also available as an Audible. The reader is great. I was going to read it myself, and no, I decided I get a reader. Anyway, it's available in Audible. It's selling very well. It made the #1 in a number of categories on Amazon. Just go on Amazon, look for When Friday Isn't Payday, or look for Randy W. Kirk. Either way, you're going to find When Friday Isn't Payday. Good reading. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know if you're more profitable because you read it.